What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have Brent Bowers here. We're shooting 7-10 splits on string pin setters. First one to make 10 wins. I get the honors apparently because Brent's a chatty Cathy. Oh, me. Such a bad shot. 0 for 1.
All right, watch this. You ready? One for one.
1 for 1. Oh my God! Wow, that's a shame, isn't it? Bruh.
That was so
That
funny.
could not have gone better.
That was so funny.
I've never seen that before in my life. Wow.
Oh no, I don't think it does.
Pin never fell. Yeah, what happened? You let it go, and I said 1 for 1.
It was like the tension of the string kept it perfectly. Like there was force pushing it forward. It came to the as far forward as the head pin.
But it didn't even wiggle. I think it came even further forward than that.
It was.
But it didn't even. Usually when you slide a pin, there's like a little wiggle when it stops. But it didn't even stop moving. Oh my God, so bad again.
All right, get out of here.
You're in luck here because I am.
Get out of here.
I'm much worse at shooting the 10 pin than I am the 7
Remind
pin.
me how much money you're gonna give me when I beat you at this.
It's $100. It's $100 for every 7-10 you make.
Ha 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 ha. All right, a little extra angle.
Is that the deal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because there's 0 chance you beat me in this one.
Okay. Even that wants to pop up. That makes sense. Every 10 pin you've shot at, I've seen try and bounce. Not good. Anyways, let me show you how to make one for real.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
And
now it's an accuracy game. Okie dokie.
$100. That's a shame that you did that too. What a bummer for you.
Am I up or down on this channel?
I'm on the
Have
channel.
I lost?
On the channel, you got to be even. This is a true test of accuracy. This is not a game of luck.
Once you find the spot. Ding dong.
And you're back to even.
That's good.
More. Not enough on the outside of the pin.
Yep. It could have been better.
I need just a little more hook on that thing. If you had to pick one shocker bowler, who's your favorite, who would it be?
Oh boy.
Of all time. You can chew your spare and then talk about it.
Oh boy, I can't. I don't know how to do that. That's kind of where my brain was. Because without him, none of the other stuff's possible.
You know you don't need to throw it so hard.
Well, you got me thinking about 2 things at once here. Come on.
Part of the plan. And this is for $100 well per make. Oh my God, hook. I feel like I'd be better off hooking at this.
You can tell I'm putting on the winter pounds. I'm about to go into hibernation.
So if you had to pick one shocker bowler, who would you pick?
It's hard not to pick GV. Because without GV, none of the other stuff happens.
Mine's a Coach Lewis. Something about that man just clicks with me.
And that's the hard road there, right? It's hard for me to know which one's been more influential on my bowling.
That's a make. Oh, you almost did the same thing as me. A little too high on that puppy. It's got to be almost falling off the edge.
Okay, all right, back in the game, back in the game.
Dangerous.
I've done my work, now feed me. Take me back to the barn, stick my head in the hay trough. That's a good shot. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. How did that not work? That was almost as bad as my first frame.
No. Nothing could possibly be even close to as bad as your first frame.
$100 per 7-10 we made.
Yeah, right now you're up 100. This could go horrible for us, Matt.
Chance.
That's a make.
Nope. That's all right though. Keeping it close.
If this is going to be for that big of a dollar amount, I really got to focus. You really got to hit the outside of that thing.
Easy. Ooh, that was within an inch. Can we zoom in on that? That was very close.
That was close.
That was really close.
I am so much better at clipping the 7 like that than I am the 10.
No. It's no good.
Speed does matter still.
Yeah, I will
Speed
say,
does still matter.
Those are the two coolest non-makes I've ever done.
one of them didn't make it but should, and one of them shouldn't make it but did.
Watch this, Pack. I'm up one, right?
You're up one. I saw you almost make the last one.
Mark it 2.
Now it's time to get nervous. Now it's time to get nervous. How much filming time are we at right now?
It was a good
Yeah,
shot.
I'm shooting the 10 pin.
Hey, you do whatever you need to do.
Felt like that
I
was
just
close enough
appreciate
to the
you bringing me
outside.
in for a video where I actually got a shot.
You know, most of these videos are just set up for you to win. You're up 2.
I'm up 2.
You easily could be up 4, just letting you know.
Mark it 3. Oh,
See, now that you got a little bit of hook on it too, it's just staying, it's riding that cap.
I actually moved right. I moved 5 right with my feet to go find a new little puddle to play with.
In a few weeks, we're gonna have Mitch here doing this, and we'll let you guys pick a pro from down below in the comments who you wanna see Mitch bowl against. We'll pick somebody that you guys choose down below in the comments to come and bowl Mitch for a little bit of cash. Got too much hook on it.
Boom, baby, baby,
that
baby,
wasn't
baby,
even made.
baby, baby, baby.
This is for all those times we've taken Brent for all.
Finally, the payday I've been looking for.
That day is finally here.
He's zoned in now. Here it is. Here it is.
You see it touch it?
You know, I will tell you, the 17 challenge is more exciting down here.
Yeah, because you can actually make them.
Yep.
Or if you're Mitch at North Rock. Can we talk about how it literally touched? The speed is a factor, I guess.
Oh boy. Oh boy, look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at it?
I'm making all of them.
Oh boy, look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at
Fiver.
Cha-ching.
Fiver.
It's gonna be our most
Trying to make a
expensive
mortgage.
video,
Trying to make a mortgage over here.
yeah. Trying to make a mortgage.
Come on, buddy, you've had a good year. What do they call him? I'm a background actor. We're going to the Y after this. A little racquetball, a little steam room maybe. Opposite hand racquetball. Oh boy. Oh.
I don't know how many times I gotta tell you. I can't play racquetball.
Opposite hand?
I still,
I think I'll use my
opposite
left.
hand,
You
that
use
would
your
be
right.
embarrassing for you. It wouldn't be fun because neither of us would hit it.
We call that game fetch.
He's gonna make a bunch in a row.
I am feeling right at home. Did I get this in writing?
The bet's a bet. If this was the other way, I know you would try and weasel your way out of it, and I would let you. But I know the opposite case. You're a man who wants to make
Listen.
money. Oh my! I just can't.
I'm giving
get
you a
it
little handicap. I took off my glasses just because I'm getting sweaty.
because they're getting foggy. I just can't get it over there. I did not think you'd be able to make it every time hitting the right side of that.
Oh, it hasn't been every time. Look, I can't even see my target.
We're like 20 shots in.
Oh boy, that's no good.
Oh, you're at 7? I got plenty of time to catch up.
Plenty of time. Let me put my glasses back on. Okay, okay, okay. Can we play this game again next week?
This is one difference though. I'll be 4,000.
You'll be bringing Mitch Hoope with you.
No, I'll have shot 4,000 of these evening if that's the case. If that was the case, I would have practiced this a long time. I think this is about to be the greatest comeback
Hey,
you've ever seen.
I can buy another $1,000 arsenal after this. That's close. Oh, shikadikadoo.
I mean, that spare ball is already destroyed. And I got to get a new one at the end of the year anyway.
You can tell fatigue is setting in. I'm wearing out. I'm wearing out.
I hope so. I just got to throw harder. Like, I shouldn't have made that one regardless. I thought that was too heavy already. I just got lucky and hit it twice. This one's a make though. Lined in. I've moved my feet, moved my target, changed my strategy to adding a little backup here. That's a make.
That was a good shot.
Yeah.
This one's a make, though.
That's exactly the splinter you need to hit every time.
Now it's just about if I can hit the splinter enough times. 2, by the way.
Hey, watch this one. Count this one. Nope.
I feel like after that last make, I just feel a wave of energy come on.
I am the greatest one in the whole world.
The more that Brent gets tired,
Yeah, there's no question.
the better a
If he
chance
gets
I
me
have.
to 12 rounds, it's over, right? That was a nice shot. Nice shot. Just a little faster would have got it, though.
How nice do I gotta hit it?
You got to throw it faster.
That's pretty fast. That's not
We
slow.
can do fish.
Not everyone can have a backswing that high, Brent.
All right, 2 more shots and we're out of here. I'm bringing it all.
It's just demoralizing to know that like if I made the last one and then you made that, that would have been fine with me, but I feel like I got ripped off on that last one.
I got to focus on efficiency. 2 more shots gets me to lunch quickest.
To be fair though, if it's a race of 10, do have a chance to make a couple more, maybe get to 5,
And not be taking it in the shorts so bad.
not be losing it all. I do think I need to throw it harder, so I'm gonna try and chuck it down.
Huh? Huh? Oh!
This is demoralizing.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll buy lunch, okay?
If you miss this one, I'm going back to throwing at normal speed. Hey.
There you go. There you go. Only one more and then we're out of here.
Jesus.
And I get $100 per 710 that I beat him by.
What he said.
It's like every time I miss, you make it right afterwards.
Does this video serve as a contract? That's a good shot.
Doesn't matter. Literally doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't fucking matter. I've put it in that spot like 15 times. Boom.
It did it again. Did the Matrix just glitch?
Maybe it's more common.
It's obvious that it's not that big a deal. We're just fools.
I would have counted it. Brent's at 13.
Yeah, 13. Close. Close.
Yeah, I'm lined in, but it's just I don't know if it's to the right spot.
Uh-oh, I got a sword.
Oh.
I got an ouchie. I don't think bowling's in my cards in my 40s. I think I'll retire before I'm 40.
In your 40s.
Buddy, I'm in bad shape. The arthritis on my middle finger already? Wow. Wow.
Try the opposite strategy.
Wow.
Giving it a little bit of hook instead.
I might have to switch balls. My Apple Watch has alerted me of a high heart rate notification.
Yeah, please make one, please. I'm starting to sweat. Matt's ready. I think we're all ready at this point. We're all ready for you to just close it down, please.
You can't just copy in another one of the makes.
I'd rather not bear witness to such blasphemy.
Shoot.
Nope.
One eternity later.
Here you go. Tall, upright, a little bit lofty, a little less hooky. Oh, I feel so much better. It's all over.
Thank God it's over.
Let's check the current heart rate. 124 beats per minute 4 minutes ago.
You got your workout in. I'm gonna need your guys' help paying for this video. Thanks for watching all the way to the end where Brent made 10 710s in this videos to my 2, which means I lost a ton of money.
Nice.
As always though, thanks for playing. I didn't think he'd make that many. I thought he'd make like 3.
I'm gassed.
Took us 45 minutes of throwing it as hard as we could at every spare.